What's going on, guys? Now, if you watched a lot of TV growing up, you probably encountered a little green lizard who said something like,
15 minutes, 15%. Serendipity.
GEICO. 15 minutes could save you 15% or more on car insurance.
and for over 2 decades, the GEICO Gecko has been reminding us of that. But here's the real question. How much money has the GEICO Gecko actually saved people since he showed up? Today, we're breaking down the real numbers, the marketing claims, independent data, and we're even going to calculate a theoretical total savings figure. And then we're going to sanity check it. Now, quick disclaimer. I am not an insurance agent. I am not affiliated with GEICO. I don't even insure my car with GEICO. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Do not base your insurance off of this. This is for entertainment. The GEICO Gecko was first introduced in 1999. He was originally created because people kept mispronouncing the company name as Gecko instead of GEICO.
Mr. Gecko.
This is my final plea. I am a gecko, not to be confused with GEICO, which could save you hundreds on car insurance. So stop calling me.
But the character stuck, and over the next 25 years, GEICO exploded into one of the largest auto insurers in the United States. Today, GEICO insures tens of millions of vehicles and has been a dominant force in auto insurance pricing ever since the Gecko arrived. GEICO's most common claim is that new customers report a savings of around $900 per year when they switch. That number comes from customer surveys, meaning people who switched to GEICO and said they saved money. It's not a promise, but it gives us a starting point. But what about independent analysis? One popular study looked at GEICO quotes versus the medium insurance rates from other companies. In that sample, GEICO car insurance was about 19.8% cheaper than the state median rate for a clean driver. This shows, at least in the states examined, GEICO can deliver true savings versus typical rates. Now, what does 15% saved really mean? It's important to understand, GEICO's famous 15% statistic comes from people who switched and reported saving money. It's not saying every GEICO customer saves 15% forever. It's an average of those who saw savings when they switched. So if you switch from one insurer and save money, yes, that experience is counted in that average. But if you stay with GEICO long term without any changes or discounts applied, your savings may vary. So why do people save money with GEICO? Well, GEICO uses several strategies that contribute to a lower rate for many drivers. One is direct-to-consumer sales. Having fewer sales agents means a lower overhead cost. They also offer bundling options, so combining something like your home insurance and your auto insurance under one policy, which can lead to a lower rate. And they also offer discounts for safe driving based on your driving behavior and driving records. Now, these cost-cutting strategies are a big reason that GEICO is often very competitive. Now, let's talk about the big number that everyone wants to know. If you assume that GEICO has around 15 million customers, and each of them has saved about $900 per year, that would mean 13.5 billion saved per year. And if you stretch that across the 25 years since the Gecko was introduced, that's over 300 billion in savings. That's a big headline number, but there's a problem. That number assumes every customer switched, every customer saved money, and every customer saved that amount every year. But that's not how insurance works. So let's do this the right way. Let's be conservative. Not everyone switches. Some are first-time drivers. Not everyone saves money. Savings usually happen once when you switch. GEICO's customer base grew gradually over time. So here's a more realistic scenario. Let's say about 60% of customers originally switched from another insurance company. About 70% of those who switched actually saved money. And the average savings, probably closer to $400 to $500. not $900. So when you run the math using these assumptions, you get a total of roughly 2.5 to 5 billion saved since 1999. So has GEICO saved people money? The honest answer is yes, for many drivers. And even using conservative math, that likely adds up to billions of dollars over the last 25 years. If you've enjoyed this little breakdown, hit the like button and let me know in the comments. Have you actually saved any money with GEICO? Be sure to subscribe for other videos like this one. I have one about Wii Bowling that I'll drop here for you, and I will see you in the next one.
Options. Ah, how convenient. Oi, crab cakes. What are you looking at?
GEICO, 15 minutes could save you 15% or more on car insurance.